Hello, good morning again. This is Calvin, the electrician, sometimes magician. It's Thursday and I'm gonna go to my first service call. All right, see you later. Okay, I'm almost near to my client. Again, this is Calvin, the electrician. Okay, this is Calvin again, the electrician. The project today is to install this transfer switch here. This transfer switch in this little small space here. Okay, it's in the inlet box. Okay, the installation will be we'll be cutting I'll cut this one space here. I could put a box here. I could put the transfer switch here. And let's see. Let's make this here. Let's see. Alright, once the power's off, they will fit this one to gen and it will feed like 6 circuits. Alright, I also did this one here and the power from here right there. Alright, and pipe it here. Oops. Okay. Now I'm heading home. Everything is working.